Hello everyone. I am Dr. Mary Ann Audio from Nagaland University. In this session, we'll explore how Weber's vision of a rational, rule-based organization shaped modern thinking about authority, hierarchy, and efficiency, particularly in public systems like administration, education, and even agricultural extension. Max Weber, a German sociologist working in the early 1900s, laid the intellectual foundation for bureaucratic theory. He studied how organizations functioned and proposed a model where authority was based not on tradition or charisma, but on rational rules and clearly defined roles. His goal was to create an ideal type of organization, one characterized by structured hierarchy, rules, and impersonality. These principles still guide many modern public and institutional systems today. Weber's bureaucratic theory views organizations as formal, rule-bound systems built on logic and hierarchy. At its core are two major ideas: professionalization, which ensures secure, efficient processes, and rationalization, which replaces emotion with objective reasoning. Weber outlined six key principles: division of labor for specialization, formal selection based on merit, impersonality to avoid favoritism, a clear authority hierarchy, formal rules for consistency, and career orientation for stable, long-term employment. Together, these make bureaucracy a predictable, structured model, which is still visible in many institutions today. This diagram visually captures Max Weber's six core elements of bureaucracy. At the center lies the idea of structured organization. Jobs are simplified and divided. This is division of labor. Authority is arranged in a hierarchy to ensure a clear chain of command. Selection is based on technical qualifications, not favoritism. Rules are formal and standardized, applied impersonally to all. And career orientation ensures managers are professionals, not personal owners. Together, these elements create an efficient, predictable system ideal for large-scale organizations like government, education, and even agricultural departments. Let's now look at the core principles that define Weber's bureaucratic organization. First, a formal hierarchical structure and formalized rules. This means decisions flow from the top and are guided by written rules that apply equally to everyone. Second, division of labor. Every role is clearly defined to avoid confusion, with each person responsible for a specific task. This structure ensures clarity, order, and efficiency. Third, rules-based management. Control is maintained through a set of standard rules, not personal discretion. Fourth, impersonality. Professional relationships are emphasized here, which means personal emotions should not interfere with work decisions. Fifth, functional specialization. Tasks are done by experts with the right skills. And sixth, technical qualifications. Hiring and promotion are based on merit, ensuring fairness and competence in the system. Bureaucracy brings several advantages. It ensures specialization where each role is handled by trained experts, and skill-based recruitment promotes fairness. The system structure and predictability make it stable and efficient. Rational decision-making reduces arbitrariness, while systematic record-keeping ensures transparency. Finally, by applying the same rules to everyone, bureaucracy develops a sense of equality, which is something especially valuable in public services, including agricultural extension, where consistency and fairness are essential. While bureaucracy offers structure and consistency, it's not without limitations. Its rigid framework often results in one-way communication where feedback from lower levels are ignored. This top-down control can also lead to the exploitation of power. Excessive paperwork and procedures may waste time, effort, and resources, causing delays in critical decision making. Furthermore, the strict adherence to rules and roles often hinders innovation and creativity. In rapidly changing environments such as technology-driven agriculture or community-based extension, this inflexibility can become a serious drawback. So, while bureaucracy brings order, it must evolve to stay responsive and inclusive. Despite its limitation, Weber's bureaucratic model plays a central role in agricultural extension systems. The hierarchical setup ensures order from the national level to district level functionaries. Formal procedures under various schemes ensure accountability and uniform service delivery. Impersonality helps to prevent favoritism in input distribution. But here's the catch. When bureaucracy becomes too rigid, it creates red tape, delaying timely help to farmers. So, while structure is essential, we also need flexibility at the grassroots level to serve farmers better and adapt to local needs. In conclusion, the key takeaway from Max Weber's bureaucratic theory is that bureaucracy works best when blended with adaptability, which means maintaining structure without sacrificing the human element and field level flexibility. For extension systems and beyond, that balance is what drives both efficiency and impact. Thank you.